Alright, I've got the Cormorant 2 out here on this brisk winter day. You can see, well, we got a bit of freezing rain, so this isn't exactly snow, it's more snow with an ice layer on top, which makes it pretty precarious to walk on, but the plane, it's got skis on it now, and it just slides right around like nobody's business. So it should be pretty easy to take off. This is going to be the 5th flight. I'm running 6x4.5 props on it, and they give about 50% more static thrust than the 6x3s. That puts the thrust to weight at 1.5 times what it was previous, so the total thrust to weight is about 1.5 to 1, which is pretty ridiculous for something like this. And I have a little action camera that I'm going to put on the wheel pants that looks out over the wing, so you'll see some footage of the flaps and the ailerons and dripperons doing their thing from that. With that said, it's about time to get this thing in the air.
It's out of focus right now.
Okay.
Like, wait. Oh, wait, it's back.
Okay. Says he wants to see me land.
Yeah.
Landing this thing on ice is not very graceful because it skids for miles.
That's fine. Oh God, where?
Slow ride and take it easy. Alright, we're gonna try landing.
Alrighty.
It's gonna be from your right to your left. It's good for ages. I don't like that approach. Oh.
Ooh. Sheesh.
That's 2020 for you.